As a national high-tech enterprise, CloudDrive Intelligent Technology Company, Limited was registered and established in Shanghai in 2015 and set up the Research and Development Center and Production Factory in Nanjing in 2019. The company integrates the development, design and production of intelligent drive systems for a variety of green power vehicle, including city e-bike, road bike, electric kick scooter, fat bike, cargo bike, mountain bike etc. Our self-developed products cover display, controller, PAS sensor, wheel speed sensor, mechanical brake lever sensor, hydraulic brake lever sensor, which are suitable for many mainstream motor partners, and we provide related accessories and supporting services for e-bike manufacturers to meet the diversified, customized and modular needs of customers. Our company has strong design and development capabilities in software, hardware, structure, industrial design, and so on. At present, we have more than 40 patents of our own products which have obtained a number of regulatory certificates in China and abroad. It is the great mission for all CloudDrive workers to empower and serve the global e-bike industry and make e-bikes more intelligent and technological. So far, CloudDrive have cooperated with as many as 180 domestic and foreign companies, and have reached strategic cooperation with many foreign system brands providing them displays. We provided in the last year more than 300,000 sets of displays and controllers for domestic and foreign customers and more than 600,000 set sensors for e-bike projects. We have set up offices in Italy and Taiwan, providing prompt service to customers and provide product design solutions of the e-bike system for our global brand partners. Empower and serve the global e-bike industry is all CloudDrive workers' mission. All of us in CloudDrive will work harder and harder to contribute new solutions to the new global green energy ecosystem.